friends, it's Miss Ruth. Today we are going to do a fun art activity that involves dinosaurs. I know that all of my friends love dinosaurs and I miss you all so much that I decided to involve dinosaurs, and I also decided to get a dinosaur sweater. So you can see the dinosaur on my sweater. And so now on to the activity. Come on friends, let's go! Thank you for coming along, friends. Today we will be making Handasaurs. So what you're gonna want to get is either white paper or colored paper, any kind of paper that you like. And you can either write your name and Handasaurs before or after you start the activity. What you will also need is a plate with paint and a brush, or you can just dip your hand inside the plate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my right hand and get paint, the brush, and put it all over my hand. We're gonna paint our hands. Okay friends, so I painted my hand and now we are gonna go down to the paper and go like this. And so right now it doesn't look like a dinosaur, but soon it will. Okay friends, so I put more paint on my hand because it wasn't really working out. So I put way more paint and I put it down and I started pressing down that way that it can fill up the whole hand on the paper. Now what you're gonna wanna get is a marker, well, two markers. And I chose a green marker and I chose a black marker. The reason why I chose a black marker is so that it can be the face of the dinosaur, and the green marker is for the spikes of the dinosaur. So as you can see, this is what the little spikes look like. Little dinosaur spikes. And now I will show you my dinosaur sweater. So as you can see, the spikes on my sweater are different colors. We have blue and we also have orange, which is orange reddish. But as you are at home, you can choose any color that you like. So I'm gonna go with my green and I'm gonna make the spikes. So they are gonna look like little triangles. And now we're gonna fill it in. So now that I have made my spikes, I'm gonna make a smiley face. So I'm gonna get my black marker and I'm gonna make an eye and a smiley face. I know that some of my friends have googly eyes at their house, so you can use googly eyes, or you can put blue on the eye and make it sparkly. So this is what my Handasaur looks like. You see the spikes and you also see the face. I hope all of my friends enjoy this activity and love dinosaurs even more. It was so much fun doing this activity. It definitely made me miss you all a lot more. So I hope you all enjoy, and bye!